If you want to learn how to do laundry for the next time you're traveling, anywhere, anytime, keep watching. Hi, I'm Michelle. I make content on life's cheat codes and easy buttons. Clothes are the heaviest and bulkiest items we pack. Building a capsule wardrobe with tops and bottoms that you mix and match to make unique outfits saves so much space over packing individual outfits we wear just once. To make a capsule work, be prepared to do laundry. In this video, I'll share 6 hacks to build the easiest and lightest laundry setup. Now, if you're worried about having access to a washing machine, finding a laundromat, or don't want to pay for expensive hotel laundry services, this ultralight laundry system will keep your clothes clean, fresh, and wrinkle-free. Here are the components. Number 1, use a dry bag as one of your packing cubes. This is actually more than a dry bag. It is a specifically designed waterproof bag with built-in washboard. It is my tiny portable washing machine. It has a valve to help push out all the air. I like using a wash bag over washing in a sink or a bathtub because you never know how clean a bathroom is, and you don't know if they will have a drain stopper at all or with a good seal that helps to keep the water in long enough for you to fully wash your clothes. If you don't want to use the Scrubba as a stuff sack style compression cube, you can just fold the bag flat as you travel to your destination. It takes up as much space as a pair of shorts. Another hack is, rather than bringing a separate laundry bag, use the Scrubba as a laundry bag to separate dirty clothes from your clean ones. It's great for segregating a wet swimsuit or your stinky workout gear from your other clothes, especially on your last day if you have to pack up and you want these dirty items well separated until you get home. The second item in the system is Inso Green laundry detergent sheets. Number 3 is the smallest clothesline you'll find with integrated clothespins. Number 4 is a DIY wrinkle releaser concentrate and empty bottle. Number 5 is an easy way to keep your clothes fresh until the next wash. And number 6 is a stain remover that barely adds any weight to your laundry system. Here's what everything except the wash bag packs down to. Let's start with the wash bag. This is the Scrubba. I have been using this bag since 2015, so the design has changed a little in the past 9 years. Most noticeably, the valve on the newer model screws open and closed. I tend to use it as a stuff sack to compress half of my clothes when it's not in use as a wash bag. The bag has a flexible inner washboard. These little nubs help to scrub the dirt away. The instructions are printed on the outside of the bag. You can either do a small load of laundry, which is equivalent to 1 pair of socks, 1 pair of underwear, and a t-shirt by using water up to this lower fill line. Or you can do a large load of laundry, which is roughly double the amount, by adding water up to the second fill line. Down at the bottom are instructions on how to use the bag. Fill with water, detergent, and close. Roll down the top, clip the bag closed. Press out the excess air. Roll the bag from side to side to scrub the clothes across the internal washboard. Then drain the water. Rinse with clean water and hang the clothes to dry. These solid laundry sheets work for your travel laundry and full-size loads in the washing machine. Now, I use these laundry sheets at home too. 1 sheet does a small load of laundry in a washing machine. 2 sheets are enough for a large load of laundry in a washing machine. I use 1/4 of a sheet for a large load in the Scrubba wash bag. Rather than taking the whole pouch, I transfer about 10 sheets to a plastic bag for a 2-week trip. This is plenty if I do use a washing machine while on vacation, or if I just do a few loads of laundry in the Scrubba bag. I label the bag with the detergent instructions. I add the clothes to the wash bag. Since I'm doing a large load of laundry, I fill the bag with water up to the corresponding line. The Scrubba weighs 5.3 ounces or 150 grams. I'll add 1/4 of a sheet of detergent. This is regular laundry detergent. I've had no issues using it with merino wool or cotton or man-made fabrics. I roll down the bag until I reach the valve and the top of the washboard and clip the bag closed. I open the valve. I squeeze the bag to release any excess air out of the valve. I like to set my timer for 3 minutes to get the clothes as clean as possible. Roll the bag to massage the clothes against the inner washboard for at least 30 seconds and up to 3 minutes for a full clean. Unbuckle the bag, unroll the top, then empty the dirty water fill with clean water. Shake the bag a bit to rinse, and then pour out the water. Squeeze out the excess water from your garments. You don't want a ring, which is the twisting the fabric in opposite directions, as it tends to stretch or break the fibers in a fabric, which can make clothes lose their shape over time. Next, you lay each piece of clothing flat on your hotel towel or personal towel. I like bath towels best because I can fold it in half and have a layer of towel on top and underneath the garment. Then I roll it from side to side like a burrito, pressing to squeeze out the excess water. Here you can see the t-shirt is no longer dripping wet. My clothes are ready to be hung up to dry. I use the Sea to Summit Light Line Clothesline. It only weighs 1.3 ounces and is an integrated unit that doesn't require any separate clothespins because it has these beads. I've never had a problem finding a place to hang up this clothesline, either in a hotel room or outside when camping. You can tie each end to chairs in a pinch. In this bathroom, I noticed that I could wrap it around the hinges of these doors. Just beware of using anything that might not be mounted securely to the wall. Wet clothes can be quite heavy. There are 3 ways you can use this clothesline. You can lay clothes over the 2 strands. You can slide your garment in between the 2 lines and use the beads to keep the 2 lines as close together as possible to help stop any clothes from blowing away if you're hanging your clothes outside. By bringing the beads close to the end of the fabric, you can close the space between the 2 strands. And the third option is to take 1 or 2 inch corners of your garment and pinch it between the 2 lines using the beads. Pinch an opposite corner of the garment the same way. I typically travel with clothing made from linen, rayon, and polyester, all of which easily dry overnight, whether inside or outside. If your clothes dried with any wrinkles, I use wrinkle releaser. Rather than traveling with a full bottle of liquid wrinkle releaser, I have a DIY recipe. It needs less than a tablespoon of liquid that you can add water to once you reach your destination. The other nice thing about this hack is that it gives second life to food-grade condiment packets. Single-use plastic are often actually zero use because restaurants give us way more than we need and they go directly into the trash. I start by cutting off the end of the packet and draining the contents completely, emptying the packet of soy sauce and cleaning the packet. So it is important, anything left behind will stain your fabrics. I wash the soy sauce packet in warm soapy water and rinse with boiling water from my kettle. I leave the packet to dry overnight. I add 1/3 of a tablespoon of fabric softener. You can add a drop of essential oil to your fabric softener if it is unscented, or if you want to change the scent profile. I have this rose essential oil. I won't add it because I'm fine with the existing field of flower scent. I've wrapped my 1/3 of a tablespoon in cling wrap, also known as plastic wrap, because I do use this in the kitchen. Although I will wash this after, this makes it easier to know it is completely food safe again. To seal the condiment package, I take an old flat iron that I don't use anymore and use just the edge to heat seal the packet. It doesn't seem to do any harm to my flat iron, so I guess you could use your everyday flat iron, but I'm not advising it. So when you get to your destination to reconstitute your wrinkle releaser, open your packet of concentrate and pour it into an empty spray bottle. Fill the remaining space in the bottle with tap or bottled water at your destination. Then shake to mix. After I spray the garment, I lightly tug and smooth to knock out the wrinkles. If you have any deeper or stubborn wrinkles, I also just use a hotel hanger and hang the clothes in the shower to let hot steam relax the wrinkles. Now, to keep my clean laundry smelling fresh longer, I pack a dryer sheet with my clothes in my packing cubes. I place a sheet either on top or between a layer of clothes. If I do laundry in my hotel room, I'll reuse the sheet and put it back between my recently washed garments. Now, if I get a small stain, I treat the spot rather than washing the whole garment. I find this Tide to-go pen is the lightest option and does a good job. And it has a precise applicator. Many of us overpack because we're afraid we might spill something on ourselves. I've seen packing videos where people are struggling with bags over the 50-pound weight limit because they are packing 2 outfits per day plus multiple just-in-case outfits. Y'all can identify with that, right? Now, you can slim down much of what you take when you're able to do laundry. This system works great whether you wash your clothes in the hotel or you're able to find a laundromat. If you are someone that brings a set of workout clothes that you want to wash more frequently, this will be such a help keeping the clothes you want to wear multiple times fresh and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, take care of you.